Have you lost your Windows address book contacts due to a corrupt web file? Need to get them back quickly and safely? Introducing SysTools WAB Recovery Tool. A powerful solution that lets you scan, recover, preview, and export your web contacts with ease. Key features of the software. Recover deleted and corrupt contacts. Restore contacts from damaged or deleted web files effortlessly. Export in multiple formats. Save recovered contacts as CSV, vCard, WAB, or PST files. Preview complete contact details. Scan and preview each contact along with all associated attributes. Requires MS Outlook. Microsoft Outlook must be installed to export contacts in PST format. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools WAB Recovery. Click on the top search result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the website, click the download button to get the software. After downloading, install the software and launch it on your system. You'll see a clean and user-friendly interface, ready to begin the recovery process. To begin the recovery process, click on the Recover button in the main interface. A file browser will open. Locate and select your web file, then click the Open button. Once you've selected the file, the software will automatically begin scanning it. After scanning, it will load and list all the contacts found in the web file. Click OK to proceed to the preview screen. In the preview pane, you can view detailed information for each contact, including full name, email address, phone numbers, company details, and other available attributes. This ensures you're able to verify the data before export. After previewing, the next step is to export the recovered data. Software provides multiple export format options. Export as CSV, comma-separated values file, viewable in Excel, Google Sheets, or any text editor. Export as WAB, Windows address book format, useful for backup or reuse on another system. Export as vCard, standard contact format compatible with most email clients and devices. Export as PST, Outlook data file format used to store contacts and other Outlook data. Click the Export as CSV button. You'll be prompted to choose a destination folder on your system where the CSV file will be saved. After selecting the destination path, the software will start the export process. A progress window will display the number of contacts successfully exported. Once complete, the CSV file will be available in the location you specified. You can now open the file to view and manage your contacts. And that's it. That's how you can easily recover and export your Windows address book contacts. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.